He's mine.
All right, we're out of the dampening field. Shauna, can you help?
Every minute for themselves.
What now? I don't suppose you can run up my arm, can you?
Ralph, what are you planning to do?
Remember, baby giraffe, they took a leap of faith with you.
That's why I'm gonna take a leap for them, Shirley! All right, everybody, straight line, single file, tuck your arms in! Keep this thing steady! Stand there! Tuck your arms!
I bet I can. We haven't been formally introduced. They call me Killer Frost. Let me show you why. Killer Frost, duck!
You saved me. You saved him first. Nice work. Let's get out of here, for real.
Give them hell, Flash!
Réussi. La mettez are on the move. Bravo!
Something's wrong with Barry.
What?
I've never seen these kind of readings from Barry's suit. He's channeling over 2.86 billion joules of energy. That's a combined equivalent of almost 3 lightning bolts.
Cicada's powers allow him to sustain injury, but not that much.
Barry! Barry! He's not gonna stop.
You're never gonna hurt my daughter again.
No. I'm sorry. I let him get away.
He brought me back.